Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I am here with another topic, that is cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy is one among the neurological disorders. Cerebral palsy is the combination of two words, that is cerebral and the palsy. First, the word cerebral means having to do with the brain, or we can say cerebral, this is related to the brain or the cerebral cortex. Another word, that is the palsy. The word palsy means weakness or problems with body movements. Cerebral palsy is a combination of two words, that is the cerebral and the palsy. First, the word cerebral means brain, or this is related to the cerebral cortex. Another word, that is the palsy. The word palsy means weakness or problems with the body movements. Now, you will see what is cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy refers to a group of disorders that affects muscle movement and coordination. Cerebral palsy जो है, this is a group of disorders. Firstly जो cerebral palsy है, it is a congenital disorder. That means कि ये present होता है since birth. Cerebral palsy में क्या affect होती है? Muscle movement and coordination. Or we can say cerebral palsy में affect होती है movements and posture. But in many cases, vision, hearing, and sensation are also affected. Most commonly, cerebral palsy may affect होती है muscle movement and the coordination. But in many cases, hearing, vision, sensation are also affected. जो ये cerebral palsy है, this is the most common cause of motor disabilities in childhood. Cerebral palsy is the most common cause of motor disabilities in childhood. According to CDC, that stands for Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, it affects at least 1.5 to 4 out of 1,000 children worldwide. Cerebral palsy में कितने affect हो जाते हैं? According to Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, इसमें affect हो जाते हैं out of 1,000 children में से 1.5 to 4 children ऐसे होते हैं that are having cerebral palsy. This is the definition of cerebral palsy. Now you will see causes of cerebral palsy, or you may see what's the etiology for cerebral palsy. As I already told you in the definition, जो cerebral palsy, it is a congenital disorder. Causes: abnormal brain development, abnormal brain development or injury to the developing brain. This causes cerebral palsy. Abnormal brain development, जब brain जो है properly develop नहीं होता या injury होती है developing brain में, इसकी वजह से cerebral palsy होती है. The damage affects the part of the brain that controls body movement, coordination and posture. जो ये brain damage है, that usually occurs before birth, but it can also happen during birth or the first years of life. That is why जो ये cerebral palsy हम बोलते हैं ये congenital disorder है, क्योंकि ये before birth होता है या ये during birth होता है और in some cases first years of life में होता है. In most cases में जो इसका exact cause है that is not known, unknown in most cases. Some possible causes include, there are some possible causes, other causes responsible for cerebral palsy, that includes asphyxia neonatorum. Asphyxia neonatorum also causes cerebral palsy. और asphyxia neonatorum होता है क्या? This is the lack of oxygen to the brain. ऑक्सीजन की कमी होती है टू द ब्रेन को ड्यूरिंग लेबर and delivery. This also causes cerebral palsy. Another cause is the gene mutations. Gene mutation, gene changes that results in abnormal brain development. Another cause, that is the maternal infections. मैटरनल इन्फेक्शंस ये वो इन्फेक्शंस होती है जो मदर को होती है, जिनकी वजह से अफेक्ट होता है जो ये डेवलपिंग फीटस होता है वही अफेक्ट हो जाता है. मैटरनल इन्फेक्शंस सच एज जर्मन मीजल्स एंड herpes simplex. These infections are also responsible for the abnormal development of the brain in the developing fetus. Also, brain infections such as encephalitis, meningitis, encephalitis. Meningitis is also a condition in which there occurs inflammation in the meninges, that is the outer covering membrane of brain and the spinal cord, and the encephalitis is the inflammation of the brain tissues. क्या head injury होती है? Another cause, head injury as a result of car accident होता है, fall or child abuse. This also results in cerebral palsy. These are some causes that are responsible for cerebral palsy. There are some risk factors. There are some certain factors that put babies at an increased risk for CP, that is the cerebral palsy. These include premature birth, or LBW, being a twin or triplet. Apgar score. Breech birth and RH incompatibility. These are some factors that put babies at increased risk for cerebral palsy. These includes फर्स्ट वन इज द प्रीमैच्योर बर्थ. प्रीमैच्योर बर्थ ही वो बर्थ होती है जब बेबी जो है वो बॉर्न होता है बिफोर टर्म. दैट इज नोन एज द प्रीमैच्योर बर्थ. LBW स्टैंड्स फॉर लो बर्थ वेट बेबीज. ये वो बेबीज होती हैं जिनका बर्थ वेट कम होता है. This is also responsible for cerebral palsy. Being a twin or triplet also put babies at increased risk for cerebral palsy. Low Apgar score. Apgar score is that score which is used to assess the physical health of babies at birth. Yeah, another factor is the breech birth. Breech birth ही वो birth होती है which occurs when the baby's buttocks or feet come out first. Baby's buttocks or feet come out first. That is the breech birth. And another factor is the RH incompatibility. RH incompatibility ये क्या होता है? When a mother blood RH type is incompatible with her baby's blood. This is known as the RH compatibility, and these put babies at an increased risk for cerebral palsy. Thank you.